Max Hayes is designed to have 3 academies. We have a 9th grade academy to help students transition into the high school. We also have 2 academies as you move into the upper grades. So we have our manufacturing academy and construction academy, which consist of 3 separate pathways. So it's CAD, welding, and CNC. And we also have our building construction program in that academy.
My specific trade path, machining, you're just taking pieces of metal and you're shaping it to fit your need.
Our other academy includes our transportation academy, and those include automotive collision repair, automotive technology repair, and diesel repair.
I chose Max Hayes because the trades, and I felt like it had a lot of opportunities for me and it would help me to find a job later on in the future. Auto body, I feel like you have to have a lot of patience for it. I hear a lot that it's more of a boys' trade, like more males do it than females, but I mean, it's not gonna stop me from trying to do it. Like, that just makes me want to do it more. It makes me want to be better.
So the cool thing about our school is we've actually worked with a number of external partners. Most notably, we worked with our building construction program and the building construction trades at Cleveland to develop an advanced career track for our students to get into the trade unions.
Just like the programs, they're helping me to prepare me for what it's going to be like to get a job, for what interviews are going to be like. It'll prepare me better as a person.
Our students actually, their senior year, we work very closely with WireNet, and through that partnership, the students actually do an externship. So those students will actually go out and work 15, 20 hours at a local CNC manufacturing company to get that hands-on experience that is so important with our students.
I work at a company called Melon Tool. They make end mills and drill bits and stuff like that.
All of our career tech programming is articulated with post-secondary institutions. Students can get anywhere between 3 to 9 college credits through our career tech programming. We're going to challenge you. We're going to push you. We want to make sure that you're going to be able to compete with those that are going to be entering the job market with you, so that you're able to read those technical manuals, you're able to problem solve issues that might come up in your lab or when you graduate on the job.
I could take what I've learned at Max Hayes and actually use it in real life.
Like, it's just a really good experience. It's a really good school.